Hi, week two overview. So you should have read chapter 3. Um, so if you have not, go ahead and read the actual chapter from the OER, right? Or you can watch some pre-recorded audio of the textbook. And so when you click on this, it's going to think for a second. These are each chapter broken up into smaller PowerPoints, and they are closed captioned for you, so you're able to view them at your pleasure. Um, so it might be easier for some. Other people might like to read the textbook. Either way, it is a choice. As far as what's next, again, excuse me, again, you will see Chapter 3, Arizona Regulations, and then the Caring for Our Children Standards, as always. Um, and then you will have a discussion board this week. I'm not sure where that little guy went. We'll figure him out here in a second. And then you have a quiz on poisonous plants. So plants and labeling them, it'll take you to a new page, preventing poisonings, right? Common household um, common household and outside plants. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take this quiz and it gives you different things and you just click true or false. Kind of easy breezy, but it kind of puts a new perspective on the poisonous plants that we might be encountering in a classroom. Your your key assessment sign up is due. And all you will do is you can choose any of these following, or you can come up with your own. Please, please, please do not pick COVID-19. That is a very general topic. So if we are talking about how to minimize COVID or to, face coverings and so on and so forth, hand washing is really what you're going to focus on because washing your hands eliminates the germs that we spread as well as covering your facial mask. So just giving you a heads up, COVID-19 should not be the topic. It would be hand washing or barriers or, something along those lines. So simple points, you just reply by clicking reply and you push or place in your title. First come, first serve. So if you pick a topic that someone else has already selected, I will be letting you know. I will give you kind of a 0 point so that you know, hey, there's something wrong. And then you'll read the notes that I give you. All right, discussion board 2. And so here's the thing. Week 1 had 4 parts. Week 2 only has 2 parts. So you're going to review the video presentation or chapter, right? And then once you've reviewed the chapter presentation, briefly describe your personal and professional experiences on the topic and explain how this knowledge supports or challenges your past practice. The response should be 5 to 7 detailed and descriptive sentences. And then I kind of give you some instructions to maximize your points using direct quotes, so on and so forth. Part 2 is, again, just your peer response. So I don't want this to take up too much of your time because I know time is valuable and there's a lot of reading in this course. So I want you to pull out what you felt was really important in the chapter, connect it to personal or professional experiences, and then I really want you to build that community by responding to your peers. So that's what you do this week as far as your overview. But again, you are not done. So once you complete these 3 assignments, then you're going to start reading chapter 4.